Hi, my name is Gary and I'm studying mechatronics engineering. And in this video, I'm going to talk about one practical application of electrical circuit analysis in my field and why the concepts of this course are so important for mechatronic systems. Well, in mechatronics, we constantly work with electromechanical devices, especially with DC motors, stepper motors, and servo motors. These components are essential in robots, 3D printers, drones, and many types of automated machinery. Even though these devices create mechanical motion, they depend completely on electrical circuits to operate safely and efficiently. So before connecting a motor to a system, we must analyze the electrical circuit that powers it, using tools like Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's voltage and current laws, and concepts such as equivalent circuits. We can calculate the voltage and current that the motor will draw under different loads. And this helps us to make sure that the power supply and the driver can handle the required energy without overheating or failing. So for example, in a motor driver's circuit, we typically have components like resistors, transistors, diodes, and capacitors. Thanks to circuit analysis, we can predict how much current will flow through each part, how much heat each component will generate, and how the circuit will respond when the motor starts, stops, or changes the speed. So without this analysis, the motor might not reach the desired speed or torque, or even worse, the components could burn. So this course has helped me build the technical skills I needed to understand the systems. I learned how to read and intercept circuits diagrams, how to calculate electrical quantities, and how to model both steady state and transition behavior. I also learned how to use measurement tools like multimeters, and which allows us to verify our calculations in real hardware. All these skills are directly applied in mechatronics because every modern electromagnetical system depends on electronics. So whether we are redesigning a robotic arm, an automatic conveyor, or a small control mechanism, circuit analysis helps us ensure that the system is reliable, safe, and energy efficient. So practically, electrical circuits analysis is a fundamental part of mechatronics engineering because it allows us to understand how electrical energy is used, how it interacts with mechanical components, and how to design systems that work smoothly in the real world. Thank you.